And now the business news. Nigeria's debt profile rose by 12.27 trillion naira between June 2015 and December 31st, 2018. Data obtained from the Debt Management Office showed that the country's debt profile grew from 12.12 trillion naira as of June 30, 2015 to 24.39 trillion naira as of December 31st, 2018. This means that within a period of 3.5 years, the country's debt profile rose by 12.27 trillion naira. This reflects 101.23% increase in the country's debt profile within the period. Much of the debt belonged to the federal government, whose debt profile as of December 31st, 2018 stood at 19.23 trillion naira. On the other hand, the debt profile of the subnational governments, the 36 states of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory stood at 5.15 trillion naira. Of the total public external debt profile as of December 2018, the federal government had a share of 6.47 trillion naira or 83.38%, while the states and the FCT had a share of 1.3 trillion naira or 16.62%. Oil prices dropped on Thursday, extending falls from the previous session amid surging U.S. crude inventories as low refineries runs and ongoing trade tensions weighed on the demand outlook. World shares made it 4 days in the red in the last 5 as concerns grew. The China-US trade conflict was fast turning into a technology cold war between the world's two largest economies. Brent crude futures, the international benchmark for oil prices, were at 69.77% dollar per barrel as 10:16 GMT, down $1.22 from the last close. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures were down by 1.09 cents at 60.33 per barrel after falling 2.5% the previous day. And now the stock market report. On the strength of instructions, stockbrokers traded in a total of 559.7 million ordinary shares valued at 8.86 billion naira. At the close of trading today on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC recorded the highest volume of trade with a total of 280 million ordinary shares valued at 64.6 billion naira. UBA PLC came second on the activity chart with 44.4 million ordinary shares valued at 256.5 billion naira. Nestle Nigeria PLC led the pack of gainers with 45 naira to close trading at 1,365 naira. Beta Glass PLC came second on the gainers chart with a 5 naira 30 kobo gain to close at 75 naira. On the other hand, Flour Mills Nigeria PLC topped the losers chart with a drop of 1 naira 10 kobo in its share value to close trading at 14 naira 40 kobo. NASCON also dropped 95 kobo in its share value to close trading at 17 naira. Osha Index closed trading at 31,477.51 points in 6,042 transactions, while market capitalization ended today's trading at 13.9 trillion naira. That's the size of our package from the Lagos studios of IATV. I am Adegboyega Labiron, thanking you for finding time to join us, and now returning you to our studios in Ibadan for the rest of the news. Good evening.